Seacole. Today in maths, we're going to continue with our times tables, but we are going to focus on arrays. Now, I don't know if you remember, but in school we did these with little bingo markers. So we're going to do them again just to refresh our memory. So for instance, here I have 3 times 2 equals. And I know some of you might know the answer already, but it's good for practice to do our arrays anyway. So I know that I need to make 3 groups of 2. That's one group of 2. 2 groups of 2. 3 groups of 2. And then I can count them. 2, 4, 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Let's have a go at the next one. 7 times 2. So it's not 3 groups anymore, it is 7 groups of 2. So remember, there's 2 in a group, and I've got to do this 7 times. That's one group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, 5 groups of 2, 6 groups of 2, 7 groups of 2, and then we can count them. And remember, we're counting in our 2s because there's 2 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So our answer is 14. Just like that. Now let's look at the next one. 5 times 10. Now, I'm not going to do groups of 2 anymore, am I? Because it's not 5 times 2, it's 5 times 10. So, instead of 2, I need to do 5 groups of 10, don't I? Because that's what we need to count in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's 5 groups, isn't there? There's 5 groups of 10. So let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And remember, we count in our 10s because there's 10 of them. So the answer is 50. And let's try our last one before you go and do your own. 8 times 5. Now we know there's 8 groups. There's not 8 groups of 10 anymore. It's 8 groups of 5, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my first group of 5. Now I need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's my second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's my third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's my fourth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm confused. I don't know how many groups I've done. So I can just count them, can't I? Done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's 8 groups of 5. So remember, we need to count in our 5s, don't we? Because there's 5 dots that I've drawn in my array. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. My answer is 40. So I've left you a list of questions that I'd really like you to make some arrays for. Now again, I know that some of you might know the answers without doing the arrays, but for good practice, please do them anyway. And also they're quite fun to draw all the dots. So have a go, see if you can do it. Have a good day, Seacole. Bye-bye.